Post Reviewer, your ultimate destination for all things tech.
Introducing Shark AV2501AE robot vacuum with XLHEPA self-empty base. Incredible suction. Powerful Shark suction picks up dirt and debris on all floor types, tackling even the toughest of messes in your home. No spots missed, with matrix clean navigation. The vacuum cleans in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris for whole home, deep cleaning coverage. It empties itself. The Bagless self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, while its true HEPA filtration captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, down to 0.3 microns. Precision home mapping, 360-degree LiDAR vision quickly and accurately maps your home so your robot can methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to everyday changes in the home. Perfect for homes with pets. With powerful vacuum suction, Shark's self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system, the robot captures pet hair, dust, dander, and allergens with ease. Hands-free control. Set a cleaning schedule. Initiate on-demand cleaning. Or activate cleans all with sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Extended runtime. Up to 120 minutes of runtime for whole home cleaning. And with recharge and resume, the robot will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. Built, tested, and perfected, Shark puts their robots through rigorous testing to guarantee reliable and high-quality performance. What's included? One Shark AI Ultra Robot, one XL HEPA self-empty base, and 2 side brushes.
Want to get your hands on these tech gadgets? Use my affiliate links below to make a purchase and support the channel. Every click helps me to bring you more content.